Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing glitter nails featuring these gel top coats that I got from Amazon. It is a base coat and top coat, and the top coat is no wipe. I love this top coat. It's super good. It dries really fast and super hard and super shiny, and it is scratch resistant. So guys, I did a full set of acrylic nails. I am now just showing you guys what it looks like with the new top coat on. So I'm removing the previous polish, but right now I'm just polishing it up. And do forgive me on the footage. It's not always in frame, but that is because I'm new at filming my nails. So yeah, the next video I promise will be better. But right now I'm just applying the base coat, and I'm going to apply some glitter to the nails, but I'm going to apply the glitter before I cure the nails. This is how I apply my glitter. I'm not sure what you want to do, but this is what I do. So right now I'm just applying the glitter, and then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. I'm using 3 different glitters. I'm using a pink, gold, and a holographic glitter. So I'm just cleaning off the excess glitter where it's not wanted. So I'm just using I think I'm using acetone here and just wiping it away, but I'm definitely applying more glitters, and I'm doing it in a random design pattern, so literally you can do it however which way you want, but you want to make sure you can see all the different glitters on the same nail. My index finger, I will go in and fix that as well, because I realize that it looks a bit yellow from, I guess, just food and whatever else. But I'm going to change that, and I'm also going to make that glitter later on in the video. But I love how these nails turned out. They're super pretty. I hope someone will find this video helpful. But definitely continue watching, guys. I'm gonna speed it up and also do the other hand, and then in the end I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like with both hands, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like outside as well. Like I said, this glitter, sorry, the top coat and base coat is from Amazon. They do come packaged together. I paid $14.99 Canadian for it, so it's probably under 10 bucks American. It's super nice. I love this top coat. It's my favorite, hands down. I've tried many different brands, and I'll show you guys my nail polish collection in another video, but I swear to you this is my favorite. So definitely recommend 10 out of 10 for this top coat and base coat. Okay guys, enjoy the rest of the video. I'll talk to you soon in my next video. Bye!